civil emergency message for the Los Angeles area. This is the message from the California Office of Emergency Services. The robot and the 3 children that were previously in the San Francisco Bay Area are now reported in the Los Angeles area, which includes the communities of Santa Monica and Hollywood. The children are identified as 10-year-old Tommy, 10-year-old Gus, and 10-year-old Lola. The robot is equipped with advanced mobility systems and should be considered potentially dangerous. Residents are advised to avoid approaching or engaging. Any sightings or information regarding their whereabouts should be reported immediately to local law enforcement, or by dialing 911. Stay tuned to local media for further Civil danger warning for the Los Angeles area. This is a message from the California Office of Emergency Services. The situation involving RobotBoy and the 3 unidentified juveniles has escalated. Reports confirm that the children are actively vandalizing public and private property. Simultaneously, RobotBoy is inflicting damage on vehicles, aircraft, homes, and apartment buildings throughout the greater Los Angeles region. Structural damage, broken windows, and compromised electrical systems have been observed in multiple neighborhoods. Residents are urged to remain indoors and secure all entry points. Do not approach or attempt, or apprehend RobotBoy or the 3 juveniles under any circumstances. If you observe any of the suspects or witness further property damage, call 911 immediately, and provide your location, a description of the individuals, and any vehicle or aircraft identification. Stay tuned to official news outlets, radio stations, and authorized emergency social media channels for updates. Follow instructions from law enforcement and emergency personnel. Local authorities, in coordination with state resources, are deploying teams to contain threats and ensure public safety. Repeat, do not approach. Seek shelter. Report all sightings to 911. This has been a civil danger warning from the California Office of Emergency Services.
An administrative message for the Los Angeles area. This is a message from the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services. The autonomous robotic unit and 3 children who were previously the subject of a civil emergency message and a civil danger warning have exited the Los Angeles metropolitan area. Significant damage to structures, roadways, and public utilities was sustained during their presence, resulting in widespread debris and compromised infrastructure. Effective immediately, the civil emergency message and the civil danger warning for Los Angeles County are hereby canceled. Residents should remain cautious, avoid approaching damaged buildings or down power lines, and comply with directions issued by local law enforcement and emergency responders. Damage assessment and recovery operations are now underway throughout the region. Further information regarding road reopenings, utility restorations, and assistance centers will be provided as they become
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for the following counties or areas: Multnomah, or beginning at 9:45 a.m., and effective until further notice. Message from KQAC. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Portland Police Department. An unusual situation is happening in the city of Portland. Citizens and multiple traffic cameras along Interstate 5, Interstate 405, U.S. Highway 26 and Oregon Route 99 reported a large gray blimp flying low overhead in East Portland neighborhoods. On board the airship are two individuals identified as Dr. Kamikaze and Constantine, characters from the animated series RobotBoy. Both appear to be operating sophisticated equipment and may pose an unknown threat to public safety. Residents in the vicinity of I-84 between exit 3 and 7, the Lloyd District, the Pearl District, and areas adjacent to Oregon Route 8 are advised to seek immediate indoor shelter, lock doors and windows, and remain away from exterior walls until further notice. Motorists traveling on U.S. Highway 30 and Portland International Airport Road should exercise extreme caution, reduce speed, and avoid stopping beneath the blimp's flight path. Emergency response teams have been dispatched, and aerial surveillance is underway. Do not approach the blimp or attempt to communicate with its occupants. Report any additional sightings or suspicious activity to the Portland Police Department by calling 911 or the non-emergency line at 503-823-3333. Stay tuned to KQAC for continuous updates and further instructions. This message will remain in effect until authorities confirm the situation is resolved.
Retake!